Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your Android version and device model, and make sure Play services and your keyboard app are updated. Once done, back up keyboard settings. You may need to restore them. Then open Settings and navigate to Languages and Input so you can inspect the active keyboard. Do this now because identifying the keyboard and system version guides which emoji fix is appropriate, and it saves time when you move into font or app updates. Once you confirm your keyboard, update or install an emoji-capable font package if your device allows custom fonts. Some manufacturers block this, so proceed accordingly. Next, install and enable a reliable keyboard such as Gboard or SwiftKey because they bundle modern emoji support. After switching, clear the old keyboard's cache and data and reboot the device so the system reloads font caches and input settings. This step resolves mismatches between system emoji versions. You finish by testing emojis across multiple apps, Messages, WhatsApp, and Notes to verify rendering consistency and use the keyboard emoji picker to spot unsupported code points. If problems persist, update all apps and the Android system. Manufacturers sometimes backport emoji in OS updates. Make sure to reboot after updates. As a last resort, consider a factory reset after backing up data. If something goes wrong, note which emoji show as boxes. This identifies whether the issue is font.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.